I'm pretty sure you don't have any confusion about the importance of water in plants and animals. If you require water, you can drink it. But what about plant? How do they get water? Okay, wait 5 minutes. I'm sure you will have the answer. I'm Shomal Lashkar here, Faculty of Biology, HURDCO International School. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, we have some steps here involved in absorption of water by plant. I'll go through it, then with a picture I will explain everything. The absorption of water and mineral salts occur mainly through root hairs. Each root hair is a projection of an epidermal cell which will live for only a few days. Root hairs only exist in the root hair zone immediately behind the root cap. Root grows between the soil particles where mineral salts are dissolved in the soil water. The root hair cells have a concentrated cell sap vacuole, which means that the water potential is low in it and high in the soil. The two solutions are separated by the plasma membrane, which is semi-permeable membrane, so osmosis takes place and water enters the cell. The entry of water dilutes the cell sap of the root hair cell than that of the next cell. Osmosis causes water to pass into the root hair cells through the root cortex and into the xylem vessel. So here we have the picture. I'll explain the whole process by the help of this picture. So this brown structure with irregular shape are soil particles. The blue region surrounding the soil particle is water, a film of water along with dissolved minerals. This is the epidermal layer of root, and this cell is the root hair cell. This is the root hair. The elongated part penetrating into the soil particles is root hair. This is the region which is known as cortex, and this is xylem. So as you can see from this picture, the vacuole of root hair cell is a bit larger compared to the next cell, and it contains sugars, salts and amino acids, which increase the concentration of the cell sap present in vacuole. So we can say that the water potentiality is low inside the cell sap, in the cell sap of root hair, and the water potentiality is higher in water surrounding the soil. So from the definition of osmosis, we know that water molecule will move from higher water potential to lower water potential through a semi-permeable membrane, and this root hair contain cell membrane, which is definitely a semi-permeable membrane, or you can see the partially permeable membrane. It allows some smaller molecules to pass through it. So water molecule is smaller molecules. It easily can pass through the cell membrane. So now the concentration of cell sap decrease. That means water potentiality increase compared to the next cell. Now water will move from a higher water potential to lower water potential. So if you take this root hair cell and the adjacent cell, now the root hair cell has higher water potential compared to lower water potential of the next cell. So water will move from root hair cell to the cortex cell. By this process of osmosis, water will move from this cell to this cell, then this cell, and at the end it will reach the xylem, and through xylem the water will move from root to the leaf. I think you have your answer right now. So that's all for today. Thank you.